So let's move on to question 43. Which of the following statements is not applicable to organic compounds? A. They have low melting and boiling point. B. They are generally soluble in non-polar solvents. C. They are ionic in nature. D. They form homologous series. The correct answer is C. They are ionic in nature. Explanation. Organic compounds are made of covalent bonds. They share electrons, that is, they do not donate or accept electrons like how ionic bonds do. They tend to have low melting points. They are soft and usually burn in air. So if you say it's ionic, nope, organic compounds are not ionic. Ionic character or ionic bonds are usually for salts like sodium chloride and others, but certainly not for organic molecules. Okay,